On October 29, 2025, Canva announced the new Affinity software. It will be available free to everyone. They turned Affinity into one app, photo, design, and layout combined. So why Canva did this? To make professional design tools available to everyone, to remove expensive barriers like subscriptions, to complete directly with tools like Adobe. So you would ask yourself how Canva makes money. They actually make money with premium features and AI tools. Same model Canva has always used. So this was just not an update. It was actually a shift into how design software actually can be used. And today, I will show you how to get it and start using it. Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Frank. If you have been looking for a powerful photo editor without a subscription, this must be exactly what you need. Tools that used to be expensive and limited to professionals are now accessible to everyone. And that means anyone can learn, create, and build skills without needing to invest a lot up front. So if you're just getting started, this is actually a really good time to jump and start learning. So let me show you how to get it first. Open your internet browser and go to affinitydesigner.com. Once in the official website, click on Get Affinity, sign up to download, click on Continue with email, type your email and the name you want to use. Once on the download page, click on Windows, in my case Intel, the software is going to start downloading, and as you can see, Affinity is coming with an iPad version very soon. We'll click on Install. Affinity Photo is now installed in our computer. Let's click on Login, and now we see the welcome interface of the Affinity software. We can X that out and we can maximize the main Affinity software interface. Let's go to the menu bar and open up a picture. To make a couple of simple edits, we can crop an image by selecting the edges. We can go this way. We can go to this other edge, move it a little bit towards the left, like so. We can bring it up, adjust it a little bit more from here, there. Essentially, that's how you would move the edges to crop an image in the Affinity software. Now let's go to the rectangle tool. Let's select the heart shape. Let's adjust it. Let's make it bigger, a little bit more. That looks good. Now let's use the move tool to move it where we want it to go. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Here we are, just like that. We drag it from the corner. Let's put it where we want it to be. Now let's select the heart in the layers panel and bring it together with a picture. Now you can see the picture has been transformed into the heart shape. Now let's move the heart where we want it to be. That looks good. Now let's brighten up the picture. Let's select screen here. That made it a lot brighter. As you can see here, if I toggle on the eye, you can see it gets darker and brighter. Now let's adjust the opacity. Let's select about 50% right here. Let's toggle that. And now we can see the change. I think I like it with the brightness selected. So let's keep it that way. Now let's go to our text tool. Let's select it. Let's type love. Let's make it bigger, like so. Now let's click on the text layer. Let's select the word love. And now let's apply the red color to it. Clicking right here. We can adjust it. Let's bring it down a little bit here. We can actually change the colors. Here we are. I like this red. A little bit more. It's a little bit lighter here. A little bit darker. How about this green? No, I don't think I like that. I like this one. Okay, this one looks good. Let's just change the opacity and love right here. Select opacity to about 66%. Honestly, once you try a few of these tools, it starts to feel really easy and you can do a lot more than you think with it. I really hope that this video helped you, that the Affinity software will take you to new heights in your design and creation. Links to download the software will be in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.